The iPhone 16 family is set to go on sale on Friday, but that doesn't mean you have to wait until the end of the week for a good unofficial look at the company's phones, as someone already got their hands on the iPhone 16 Pro and uploaded an unboxing video on the Chinese social networking website Weibo. Shared on X by leaker Majin Bu, the two videos give us a closer look at Apple's new Pro model. Just like the earlier models, the packaging for the iPhone 16 Pro doesn't come with a charger or headphones. Once unboxed, you can see the iPhone 16 Pro line face down in the box, sporting the black titanium color. Beneath the phone, there's a Type-C braided cable, and it looks like the box has ditched the Apple sticker, though you might still get one if you ask. Plus, the new camera control button on the right side of the phone is also featured in the video, showing off how it works. In the second video, we see an iPhone 16 Pro model in the hue Desert Titanium getting compared to the blue titanium iPhone 15 Pro. Since the new phone sports a 6.3-inch screen, it unsurprisingly looks a little larger than the 6.1-inch iPhone 15 Pro. The iPhone 16 Pro is a smidge thicker than the iPhone 15 Pro, but you can hardly tell the difference. The iPhone 16 Pro features a higher resolution 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera and Apple's latest ceramic shield material. But of course, you can't notice these details just by looking at the phone. Visually, the two phones are largely the same, and the real differentiators are on the inside. The new Pro models are underpinned by the faster A18 Pro chip and will last longer on a charge. They also pack better hardware for improved connectivity. While it's too early to comment on the phone's market performance, early data suggests that buyers are more interested in the non-Pro models. Traditionally, Pro models have performed better than the standard models, which was reflected in Apple's alleged production plans. With Apple touting Apple Intelligence as one of the main reasons to upgrade to its phones, it looks like buyers took the messaging too literally and decided to overlook the Pro lineup's new ultra-wide camera and larger screens in favor of phones that will be able to run A features and not cost them as much as the Pro models. So, what are your thoughts on this new unboxing video? Share your thoughts on this, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.